Hi everyone, this is Denise and welcome to my channel. You might wonder where I am right now. I'm not in front of my computer, not in front of my monitors. So I'm also on my running get up. That's because I thought it's a beautiful, perfect day to run. The sun is up. It's collaborating with us. Very nice weather, very beautiful Saturday. So it's the best day to run. And this video is actually about just a really quick video. Just want to share with you another thing that's really good with Acadium is that you can manage your own time. Like in my case, I can, for as long as, here's the thing, for as long as you talked with your mentor regarding your schedule and you both agreed on it, then you're fine. And the most important thing is that you get your job done. That's what's important for the mentors. And then you can do whatever you want, you know, for the rest of the day. Like in my case, most of the time I work at night. That's because I'm more, you know, I'm more quiet. It's the environment is quiet, and you know, I've done all other stops in the morning, or it could be in the afternoon, and so I get time to work with my mentor. And obviously the next day just update your mentor the progress of your task, you know, the project, and so on and so forth. So that's it, guys. That's the beauty with Acadium. You are the boss of your own schedule. And of course, another update is that I'm gonna have another, this is gonna be the third, hopefully my third, we'll see if everything's gonna go well, my third mentor. And we're gonna have we already scheduled a chat next week, so we'll see what's gonna happen. So as for the time being, I just run 10 kilometers and I'm gonna go up the hill now because I live on top of the hill. I'm down here at the lake, and so this is my town. Welcome to Bodiolomnago, Varese, Italy. So I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click that Acadium share link below if you want to join us in Acadium. Please try this platform. This is the best platform that you can join or you can use for you to gain more experience in digital marketing. So that's it, guys. I'll see you next time. Ciao.